It can price 4 basketball one time. And here are our molds. It can be customized. The max size of the mold can we accept is 80 millimeter. Here is the ball shape, and here is the circle, and here is the square. This machine can price 4 different shapes of the basketball. You just need to change the mold. If you want to price different shapes of the basketball, you can customize the different shapes of the mold. We also have other types of the mutual type basketball press machine. We have 1 punch, 2 punch, and 3 punch. And if you are interested in other types of the basketball press machine, you can search our live stream. There are many product links in our live stream.